Hey guys, welcome to LawNCareMadeEasy.com. I'm Zach Stroud. Today I'm going to show you how to get good quality tools from Lowe's, Home Depot, all those big box stores at a great price. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. So yesterday, I had to go to Lowe's, had to get something for my house. And while I'm there, every time if I go to Lowe's, Home Depot, any of those big box stores, I always look on the garden aisle, okay? Anywhere that they sell fertilizers, pots, plants, see if they have plants on sale, and even the tool areas. So what I saw yesterday, this is the lowest price that I've seen this year. And what they're doing is usually at the end of November through December, they'll have a huge clearance on on most of their tools, such as pruners and stuff like that, you can get at a really, really low price. Okay, because they want to bring in new stuff and they just want to get rid of it. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you some of the things I got and just compare the prices that they usually are and what I got them at the discount price. So I kind of picked up whatever I could use next year. I do have some things in here that I probably wouldn't use on a regular basis, but hey, I mean, it was a pretty good deal. So I went ahead and picked some of that up. So the first thing I want to show you is that right there. So it kills the common Bermuda that kind of creeps into your lawn. I got this at a pretty good price. Now what I'm going to do with this is I have a landscaping bed that is pretty much being invaded by this Bermuda grass. Okay, so I'm not going to use it this year. I'm going to wait till next year. I may need some more, but I might as well get it at a good price. So the price in the store, if I haven't gotten it at a discount, was $30. Okay, I got it for $19. That's a pretty good deal to me. You know, I'm probably only going to use it once, but I'm going to need it next year, so I might as well go ahead and get this on a discount. You know, so and it's clearance. They're just going to bring in some new stuff next year. I also got a ton of pruners, and I'm always using pruners, and I always need some backups. You know, some of them last a little while, some of them last a couple of years, but the brand that they sell at Lowe's is where I went. The brand they sell the most is Fiskars. Particularly in the past, I haven't had great success with them. I hope that at this point they've made their tools a little better. You know, at these prices, you can't really get good quality tools at this price. Now, some of them are just, you know, most of them are lifetime warranties. So if I keep the receipt and the packaging, and I can just put those in a little box somewhere, and if I keep that, and if something happens within the next 3 or 4 years, I can take that back, you know, and get a new tool. So the first one is called pruning snips. Now I would probably use this to prune perennials, small flowers or anything like that. I got these for regularly they're $19. I got them for $13. That's pretty good. Again, lifetime warranty. It comes with a case and everything that you can kind of put it in there. That way you don't stab you. If you want to put it in your back pocket, you don't stab yourself. And I'm going to use those probably, like I said, for just the small flowers. The next one is a multi-purpose tool. Now, probably would never use these, but you can cut rope with them. You can open up bags. I usually have just a pocket knife, or I usually have some type of box cutter razor on me when I'm using those, but this may be safer since they're kind of like scissors and you can just cut the bag open. But, you know, again, a good price. I got them for 14 bucks. They're usually 20. I mean, it looks like it's a good quality tool. You know, I hope Fiskars has, you know, upped the game a little bit, because Lowe's used to sell a lot of Corona tools, a lot of Corona pruners and hedge trimmers and stuff like that. But I think I think they've gone to Fiskars now, and you know, in the past I haven't had really good success with them, but I think since they're the main tool in Lowe's now, I think they probably upped the game. So the next one, and this is Fiskars Pro product. This is a Pro pruner, lifetime warranty. This one will cut up to an inch of any type of plant that you have. Okay, any type of, like if you're wanting to prune something off a tree, this tool right here would cut that. And the ergonomics of the handle feel good, and it's kind of heavy. So I mean, it feels like it's made out of good steel, good metal, and I think it's going to be a pretty good tool. It's supposed to have like it's an ultra sharp, stays sharper 5 times longer. So, you know, that was a good deal. And what did I get for this one? So regularly it's 40 bucks and I got it for 24. So almost half price. And if you have a Lowe's account, if you're a pro at Lowe's, you also get a little bit more discount. So I got a little bit, I probably got $2 off this one. So, and like I said, I bought a lot of pruners. So here's another one, because I'm always needing pruners. And here's another pruner. This one cut up to an inch as well. This one sells for usually 30 bucks. I've got it for 25. Again, feels heavy, feels good. The handle doesn't feel as good as this one. You can see the ergonomics in that one, the way it kind of contours to your hand right here. This one's straight down. So not made as well as this one, but you know, for 24 bucks, 25 bucks, I mean, I think it's going to be a good product. It feels good and heavy. Okay, so this one is a 3/4, and this is another pruner. It's a forged pruner. And what I like about these, I love this spring right here. That never wears out. I've never seen a tool with one of these on there that's ever wore out. So what did I get this one for? So it usually sells for $25 and I got it for $18. So, and again, it has a nice handle on it where you can easily put your hand on it and it fits to your hand. Again, a lifetime warranty. So I think that's going to be a good tool. And again, it feels good too. It feels like it's good and heavy. Now, what usually comes apart on these Fiskars is right in here. That's usually where it kind of comes together, and you can see the bolt on the back, or you can see it come together on the back there. That's usually what comes apart on these, for me anyway, when I've used them in the past. And that's the reason I stopped using them. But I think these are feeling pretty good. Now this one feels kind of light. This is another one. This one I got for $11 and it sells for $13. Not that big of a difference, but still it's a discount. So I just went ahead and got it. These are some that you can just probably keep on you. And, you know, they're small enough where you could probably just keep this on you. And, you know, if you ever need to, if you're out in the landscape and you need to cut something kind of small, usually you don't need to carry around 1 inch. You know, 5/8 is a perfect one just to kind of keep on you when you're out working in your landscaping beds or anything like that. And they'll usually cut just about anything. The 1 inch you're going for, it has a purpose. You're going to cut, you know, a tree limb, you know, trim a tree branch or something like that, small tree branch. But for these, they can, you know, snip little branches that are off the shrubs that are a little bit too high or something like that, just to shape it up, cut a couple of things off. So these are light enough that you could keep these on. The last thing I picked up. Now again, it's not a huge discount, but I'll use this a lot next year. In the landscaping beds, and Orthos proved to be pretty good. I don't like using Roundup if I don't have to, so I try to use some of these other brands. Ortho's been pretty good in the past, so I'm gonna give it a shot and see if it's still pretty good. Now, what I got this for was $18. So I got these for $18, and it's usually around 22. So not a big break, but they had a ton of stuff on sale. They had their gloves on sale. They had their pots. If you're looking for some pots, this is a perfect time to go buy some of that. I didn't really see any of the potting soil on sale. That's usually year round, and they usually just do that in the spring. Early fall, early spring, they'll have a big sale on that. But if you're looking for some sales and you really want a good deal now, I think this is the only time of the year that they will kind of mark these pruners down, because everybody needs them in the spring. Right now, a lot of people aren't really doing anything in their lawn or in their landscaping beds. So, they're wanting to get rid of this, and they'll have a huge sale. I remember when they sold Corona, that's when I picked up a lot of those Corona tools. So don't miss this chance to get out and get some gloves, get some product that you can use for next year, some pruners if you need those. This would be a good time to get out there and get some. So go out there and check it out. I looked at Home Depot just to see if they had any sales, and at this point they didn't, but usually Lowe's, at least in my area, they had a lot of sales on their pruners. So go out there and check it out, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you out, and we'll see you on the next one.